Namaste बच्चों. Myself GV Dr. Monica Trivedi. I am from Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's presentation is from Applied Chemistry. The course name is Diploma in Engineering, third trimester, and the module is corrosion. Corrosion is one of the most common phenomena that we can observe in our daily lives. We must have noticed metal object covered with some orange, red, brown color pigment at some point of in a time. This is nothing but a chemical process known as a rusting, which is a part of a corrosion. If we look at the science behind the corrosion, then we can say that it is a spontaneous or reversible process wherein the metals turn into a much stable chemical compound like oxide, sulfides, and hydrides. What is the corrosion? It can be defined as a natural process that causes the transformation of pure metal to uh, undescribed substance when they react with the substance like a water or air. This reaction causes damage and disintegration of the metal starting from the position of the metal exposed to the environmental and spreading to the entire bulk of the metal. The metal placed higher in the reactivity series such as iron, zinc get corrode very easily, and metals placed lower in the reactivity series like gold, platinum, palladium do not corrode. The explanation lies in the fact that the corrosion involves oxidation of the metal. As we go down the reactivity series, tendency to get oxidized is very low. The oxidation potential is very low. So this is the main reason why iron and zinc oxidize get corrosion easily, and the palladium and platinum don't get a corrosion easily. The other metal like aluminium does not corrode, and unlike other metal even through the it is reactive. This is because the aluminium is covered by the layer of aluminium oxide already, and this layer of aluminium oxide protect it from further corrosion. The factor which affect the corrosion are first is exposure to the metal to the air containing gases like CO2, SO2, SO3. The exposure of metals to moisture, especially salt water, which increases the rate of corrosion. Okay, the presence of purities like salt, NaCl, the temperature which affect an increase in a temperature increases the corrosion. Next is the nature of first layer of oxide formed some oxide like Al2O3 forms an insoluble protecting layer which can prevent further corrosion. Others like rust easily crumble and expose the rest of the metal. The last one is the presence of acid in atmospheric acid can easily accelerate the process of a corrosion. So these are some factors which affect the corrosion of a metal. Thank you very much. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If you have any query, please comment on this video. I will resolve your queries. Thank you very much.